She's been the leadoff for the last few years, and you're going to see exactly why. High energy, solid tumbling.
Mom was a gymnast at Northern Illinois. Her mom, Lori.
Front handspring, front Rudy. Great landing. Beautiful leaps. It's really important to get that completely around. That's what the judges look for, not just the 180 split, but if they're completing the leap completely.
Her college debut was in Baton Rouge at LSU. Had a 9.775 the first time she ever stepped onto the floor.
John mentioned, you know, if there was, look up any synonym for the word wonderful, and Libby fulfills all of those words. Double pike. Great landing.
That's how you lead things off. That's Libby Orman.